Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to add music to your Facebook stories. To do this, you go into the app. Next, you add stories. You click Home, and you add it. For this example, I'm going to take any video. Done. I've made a video. In order to add music, I need to click on Stickers and select Music here. You can find almost all the songs you want here. You choose the settings for that song. You can make it louder or quieter. I'm not going to be able to include the audio for this song in this video because I don't want to infringe on copyright, but it's going to work fine for you. Run through it, tweak it, and post it. And also write in the comments if you got the music to post in stories. As you can see, this is a very easy and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.